everyone.
The video shows how to quickly connect YiLu Proxy Dynamic IP in iPhone.
You need to install Shadowrocket app in your iPhone.
Then select Rotating Residential IP or Data Center IP in YiLu Proxy Client.
Select a country, state, and city. Then refresh. Click an IP, then a code will appear. Next, open Shadowrocket app on your iPhone.
Click the scanning icon on the top left.
Scan the code in YiLu Proxy.
Then the dynamic IP will successfully be added. You can test the connection speed. Turn on the connection button. Then you can see a VPN icon appears. Then run a browser and check the IP address. You can see the IP's location is consistent with the location selected in YiLu Proxy. Okay, the video is over. Bye.